Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your router. So I will be just open my control panel, which is the left side option right over here, and we will move in this user's account, which is also called admin account. So I will just tap on this one, change account type, and I will be just tap on it my again, and make sure you will be just set the password on your admin account, so it will be just protected your router. And there's the only way is that, so if your router is can't show the option of two-factor authentication on your router, so you will just also firewall or router security software that adds this layer of protection, and you will just also enable the like firewall. So tap on simply this firewall defender, this one, and make sure as a guest or public network it will be just connected. So these are the two ways to protect your router by the cyber attack. So right now there is no eligible option to enable two-factor authentication on your router. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.